Hi, my name is Shauna.
And I'm Tamar.
And I'm Ava. Today we're trying out a childhood game. We don't know the name of it, but we're gonna call it the elastic band game, alright? So this is where we toss it on a surface, and of course, any one of the opponent that crisscross over your elastic, they have the privilege of taking every one of them. I'll probably leave one. We're gonna try it out. We haven't played it in a while, so here we go.
I have my yellow band.
Green band.
And I'm red band, and I'll start first. And there we go. Bounce it, and
Come on, Tamar, you can do it.
Come on, Shauna, you can do it.
all right, red band goes.
Here is green band.
And here is red.
No, I'm supposed to do it.
All right, so let me take that one
So
out.
I'm
It's not my
supposed to
turn.
go. So I'm supposed to go.
All right, now it's my turn.
Don't move the line. Don't pass the line.
All right, so
My turn.
No, you have to
yeah,
you have to
it
look.
actually
Yes,
goes
actually,
over.
yeah,
So
actually.
all these are
So
mine.
yeah, leave one.
Oh my God, I won. I can't believe I won.
All right, so you gotta leave one there. Well, I guess I hope that's how you used to play it for those who are watching.
Woo!
So which means, all right, who goes after this?
So you can go.
I'm not sure if I should go. There's a yellow.
Tamar, you could go ahead.
All right, so there's a yellow man. All right, so let me toss first. Then Tamar, your turn.
Just use your no.
It's okay.
All right, Shauna, it's your turn.
No, use your green. Because you want to take up.
Right, these are green. Don't use what we have.
This one is a green.
No, we don't know who
Oh.
played. All right, it's my turn now.
Use your green. Then.
Let me see if that crisscross. Yes, it
Yes.
does. So I get all of that, except for leave your red man, your red man symbol that you want.
Alright.
All right, so Tamara just tossed. Shauna tosses. My toss.
Whoa!
All right, awesome. So I get to do all of that red
Because I'm
man.
all the way up
This is
here.
just
I'm
some
not
fun
going
games
all
that
the
you
way
can
up
play
here.
with your children at home now during this pandemic.
Here it goes.
All right, so
Oh, it's
Tamara
me.
just says Shauna's time. Then it's my turn. No, sorry, I'm actually a red man, so I can't give away my green man. I have to
If
give
you
away.
want to take all of them.
All right, there we go.
All right.
All right, so Tamara wins that, which means she gets a chance to pick up everything on the floor and leave back one. And the one that she should leave is her color, which is green. All right, so
I'm going on fine.
all right, so this should be the final.
Yes.
My turn.
It's my turn now?
Tamara, your turn.
If I don't win this, I think I'm gonna be.
No, it's my turn.
No, your turn now.
All right, my turn.
I love when it's a lot. We always like when it's a lot. That way we win a lot.
Oh, you're trying to.
So this is me now.
That's Alma. It's my turn now.
Always like when it's like this. So hold on, no.
No, we can't see anything.
Oh my God, you guys
We
are.
can't see anything. It didn't crisscross.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I get it.
Oh, just
All right,
say
so good job. That's a wrap. Maybe you
The person
played
with the
differently.
most, the person with the most is the winner.
So
Let's
this,
find out.
I actually have the most what? I think I have 3 yellow, 3 red, and 1 green, which means
And the winner is us.
I can't be the winner. I don't think it's a matter of number count off. It's a matter of how many of them